Welcome back, friends. In this video, we are going to cover supplementary return. I will show you step by step how to upload the file, the approve reject process, and how to manage payments. Let's begin. Segment C, supplementary return. The scenario is simple. The regular return has been approved, and after that, a new employee is registered. To add this employee, you use this supplementary return. These time rules you must know. You can only add members who were not in the regular return. If you try to add a duplicate member, the system will reject it. Multiple supplementary returns are allowed for the same wage month. Preconditions: the regular return must be approved and no other returns should be in process. So let's start the process. Upload the return file .txt format and select return type as supplementary return. Contribution rate can be selected from the drop down. If the employer wants to reset the values, they can click the reset button and re-enter the details. After selecting all fields, click the upload button. A pop-up will appear, verify, and click OK to continue. If the file upload fails, an error file will be generated and shown in the error file column. Employers may download the file and take corrective action. If the file upload is successful, a return file ID and return statement will be generated and displayed in the in-process returns table. The option to approve or reject will also be displayed. Employers may download the return statement, verify it, and then either approve or reject the file. If the employer wishes to reject, click the reject button. The system will reject the return and navigate back to the upload return page. If the employer wishes to approve, after verifying the return statement, click the approve button. Once clicked, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Click OK to continue. After approval, a due deposit balance summary is generated. This page shows the return summary for the wage month, total account-wise summary, and 7Q14B summary. If the employer wishes to make payment, they may select the full payment or part payment option from the due deposit balance summary page. The employer may also click on View Pay Challan to see the existing list of in-process challans to pay admin inspection charges or 7Q14B charges. The employer may click the respective buttons and follow the same procedure as in regular return. If the employer selects full payment, the system displays the account-wise due deposit balance summary. Employees will be able to view account-wise breakup of dues paid and balance amounts for the wage month. To continue, click on the Prepare Challan button. A pop-up will be displayed with the finalized summary for the contribution ID. Verify the details and click Finalize Challan to proceed. Once finalized, the challan is generated with a TRRN and displayed in the in-process challan list with the options to either cancel or pay. Click on the Pay button to proceed. The system navigates to the challan payment page. Employers may select interest 7Q and damages 14B. If applicable, select the bank from the drop-down and make payment. If you register new employees late, supplementary returns will keep accumulating. It's always better to register employees on time. So friends, that was the complete process of supplementary return with payments. Apart from this, I have already made separate videos on regular return and revised return. You must check them out too. Along with that, I have also created a detailed and full process video on EPFO's new re-engineered ECR3, in which I have combined all three and covered everything in depth with a step-by-step tutorial. Do check that as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, then do like, share and subscribe to the video. And write your queries in the comments below. I will answer them. Thanks for watching. Now PF filing is easy.